Pay attention to how I put the stuff in my bowl, okay? Your dry ingredients in first, then you're gonna put your wet ingredients in, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure out my dry ingredient, i.e. my flour. I'm gonna pass it around to you all. You're gonna measure your flour out and put it in the bowl, okay? First ingredient we're gonna put in here, we're gonna put white sugar. Whole wheat flour.